Let's do this example, 7.10 here. Considering the allowed values for the three quantum numbers, state whether an electron can be described by each one of the following sets. That means, is there an orbital that exists with these characteristics? So we're going to remember n takes values of 1, 2, 3, and on up. L takes values of 0, 1, 2, up to n minus 1. And m sub L takes values of minus L up to 0, up to plus L. Those are the limitations and the connections between them. So if we say n is equal to 2, L is equal to 1, m sub L is equal to minus 1, a set of three quantum numbers like this specifies one orbital. So the question is this an allowed orbital or not? Is it an allowed orbital? Well, if we look at the relationship between n and L, that looks good because n is 1 and n is 2 and L is 1. So that's okay. L could not be 2, but it can certainly be 1 or 0. And then if we look at m sub L being negative 1 and L is equal to 1, that fits too because m sub L would take values of negative 1, 0, and positive 1. So this thing is okay. It's all right. Everybody see that? Comfortable with it? What about the second one? Right away I see a problem with the second one. Does everybody see it? Somebody tell me where it is. L equals 1. L cannot be 1 if n is equal to 1. What's the maximum value of L when n is equal to 1? 0. So L is not, L cannot be equal to 1. So this one is not possible. Okay, questions on that one? All right, n is equal to 7, L is equal to 3, m sub L is equal to plus 3. Well, if n is equal to 7, the possible values for L are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So L is equal to 3 looks like one of those. And if L is equal to 3, the possible values of m sub L run from negative 3 to positive 3. This is positive 3, so this one's okay. All right, comfortable with that? Questions? All right, D. N is equal to 3 and L is equal to 1. Is that okay? That's okay. But what about m sub L is equal to minus 3? Is that okay? No, because m sub L cannot be, m sub L can only be negative 1, 0, positive 1 only. So this one's not possible. So that's how you solve or answer questions like this.